Welcome to another travel video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So their famous dish over here is pav gatia, which is nothing but pav and gatia, and they put some sauce or some gravy on it. So we are going to try that. This is Bhavnagar's famous lachu by pav gatia. These are the salt pans along the road from Bhavnagar to Kevadia via Jalaram. We are enjoying some fresh fruits right now on the way to Jalaram from Bhavnagar. हमने रेड पेरू लिया हुआ है. Just there on the highway, this lady is selling amazing fresh peru. We hardly took any breaks because we wanted to reach Kevadia on time. We just took a small break for lunch, and here is a beautiful sunset and we have almost reached Kevadia. This is Ekta Nagar station. Many people take Mumbai to Ekta Nagar train to visit Statue of Unity. Look how beautiful and lit the station is. Beautiful lights, decorative lampposts and amazing roads welcome you to Statue of Unity. These are these electric rickshaws. There's a check post.
लेजर शो पार्किंग की गाड़ी और बेची की बस में जाना. ठीक है, कहाँ पे पार्किंग है? ओके, थैंक यू. ऑटो रिक्शा भी जाएगी. ओके.
This is the parking lot, pay and park. They charge 50 rupees. There is a washroom inside the parking area. The washroom is decent, and there is also an ATM inside the parking lot.
कितना चार्जेस रहती है? 110.
सिर्फ महिला ड्राइवर्स है ना इस पे? अच्छा. It's a Tuesday and you can see there are so many people. I mean पूरा ये ground है, parking space है for the buses and all. It's completely packed. तो लोग यहाँ पे literally बैठे हुए हैं. अभी हम स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी का लेज़र शो देख रहे हैं और लेज़र शो का टाइमिंग है फ्रॉम 6:45 to 7:30. हमने बाहर से लेज़र शो देखा है तो यू कैन सी द लाइट्स बट यू कैन नॉट हियर द स्टोरी. तो इसके बाद हम जा रहे हैं फॉर नर्मदा आरती. तो वो है 7:45 PM. तो उसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं. And the glow garden is open till 10 PM, so we have a lot of time in hand to see the glow garden. There is so much garbage around. I mean, this is not done. The place is so beautiful, but they have spoiled it completely. Would you do like this in your own house? No, right? Very disappointing. When I saw the gigantic statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in front of my eyes, I was like, wow, I'm seeing the tallest statue of this world. And the laser show was worth watching. Wow, look at this. You can see the statue here. It's entirely lit now and it's such a magnificent statue. There is butterfly garden which we can see from here. For Narmada Aarti right now, and the bus you will get from station 5. This bus will drop us back to the same place. So we have come right now for Narmada River Aarti, heading towards the river. Wow. Superb.
की साधना समर्पण की भाव से न कर अहंकार से करता है तब उसे साधना का सुफल तो मिलता है, परंतु उसका यही अहंकार उसे कर्मों के कर्ता होने के अभिमान से भर देता है। भगवान शिव का एक ऐसा ही साधक था, रावण। रावण को भगवान शिव की कृपा से सब कुछ प्राप्त हुआ। स्वर्ण की अभेद्य नगरी लंका, पराक्रम संग्रामी, अपार बल और समृद्धि, परंतु 10 बार अपना शीश प्रभु के चरणों में अर्पित करने वाला महाज्ञानी रावण भी अपने अहंकार को श्री महाकाल के चरणों में अर्पित न कर सका।
We just saw the Narmada aarti, took the Narmada aarti, and it was so amazing. Felt really nice. The entire atmosphere was divine. We are here at the Glow Garden, and Ahana is all excited. This place is amazing for kids. They'll get mesmerized to see so many lights and so many glowing objects in the garden, and it's looking pretty. Very cute and very attractive, well maintained, especially for kids. It's such an amazing place. After statue, we have come to have dinner at Jalaram Khichadi restaurant. तो apparently इसके reviews बहुत अच्छे हैं and it's a famous place. And ये है राजपीपला में, जो कि एक half an hour का drive था from statue. They have authentic Kathiawadi Gujarati menu. See all these Gujarati items and they are quite reasonable. The restaurant is good, the ambience is good. Cheese lily dungri, it has cheese cubes over here, and this one is methi no gatti or something. This is again a very special authentic Gujarati dish. And we have ordered bajre ka rotla and jawar ka rotla, and we have also ordered fulkas, some lassi and some chas. Achari Khichadi, it's amazing. Do try their Khichadi. The waiter said that they have a famous Khichadi which is called Rajwadi Khichadi, but it is not there right now, unfortunately. And here we end another lovely day, and we had booked our hotel in Rajpipla. However, there are many hotels around Statue of Unity. Do watch my next video where I'm going to show you an entire day spent at Statue of Unity. Thank you for watching this one.